I couldn't think of anything better to do on my Saturday of Labor Day weekend than to work on my snow village. Now, my guys were busy doing brakes on the kids' car. My girls went and had some sister time shopping. So I had a little free time and thought, well, I'll go ahead and work on the village. And I think I made quite a bit of progress, really. So in this area, I removed the lighthouse, moved the granary down, built the mountain or the hill for the fire station, used the styrofoam that the lighthouse was on for the police station. Then I made sure those three were plugged in. And then I brought in the feed and supply, got that plugged in, moved the used car lot to here. That one doesn't light up, but I think there might be a way I can light it up. I just have to think about that a little bit. And then I plugged in the garage. Then I plugged in the pizza place, the Krispy Kreme, and McDonald's. So one of the things about buying used, I might get a good deal on them, but sometimes there's flaws to them. There might be pieces missing, or there might be chips, cracks, stuff like that. Krispy Kreme, I think is supposed to have a sign that goes with it. Mine doesn't. And then the two little trees at the front are different colors because I used this one, or I added this one because that corner is broke and that tree that was like that was missing. So I went ahead and put just this little tree here and used some of that curly snow to camouflage the little broken piece. And then I added Ronald McDonald House, and again, a used piece, and this tree was kind of falling over, so I glued that down. Then I added one of my two churches that I have. So I think overall I got quite a bit done today.